Hello, I'm Tony from Eurecat, one of the biggest research centers in the south of Europe. We are almost 700 employees and we're showcasing 3D audio. First demos that we have here is binaural demos with different kind of demos. So let's say we have a trailer, cinematic trailer, we have music with Luan, one of the most famous French singers. We also have audiobooks, and we also have different installations in Barcelona and other parts of the world. Ah. Our website is Eurecat. Our website, joder, sorry. Our website is www.eurocap.org.